Students, we are going to discuss about physical geography and natural science. Okay, from chapter number 1, geography as a discipline. So here we are basically going to discuss that how physical geography is interlinked with natural science subject. Okay, means how physical geography, the physical component of geography is related with the natural science, and or how the natural science subjects can be explained in the light of physical geography. See, all the branches of geography have interface with natural sciences. Okay, so all the branches of physical geography, such as hydrology, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, and all. Okay, these are the branches of physical geography actually. Okay, so these all branches of physical geography has some linkages. Okay, they has the interface with the natural science subjects. The traditional physical geography is linked with geology, meteorology, hydrology, and pedology, and thus geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, and soil geography, respectively, have very close link with the natural sciences as they derive their data from these sciences. Okay, so the traditional physical geography is linked with geology actually. Like geology is a branch of science, meteorology is a branch of science, hydrology is a branch of science, pedology is a branch of science. Okay. So these are the different branches of science actually, and these different branches, okay, these different branches, okay, these different branches of science is related with the branches of geography, such as geomorphology. Geomorphology is a branch of geography actually, okay, which is linked with geology. Okay, climatology, it is related with meteorology. Oceanography, it is related with hydrology. Soil geography, branch of science, sorry, geography, it is related with pedology. Okay. So biogeography is closely related to botany, geology, as well as ecology, as human beings are located in different locational niche. Okay. So biogeography is closely related to botany, to geology, as well as ecology, as human beings are located in different locational niche actually. Okay. So even biogeography, which is a third branch of geography actually. Okay. Physical geography, human geography, and biogeography. Okay, even biogeography, which is the third important branch of geography, is linked with botany, geology, and ecology actually, which are the main subjects of science. Okay, so a geographer must have some proficiency in mathematics, and arts, particularly in drawing maps. And even a geographer must have some knowledge about mathematics. A geographer must have some basic ideas about mathematics and all, because there are many aspects of geography which needs mathematical calculations and all. Okay, where we need the help of mathematics and all. Okay, so geography is very much linked with the study of astronomical locations and deals with longitudes and latitudes. Okay, and even geography is much linked with the study of astronomical locations. Okay, and deals with the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so basically it deals with the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so what are these latitudes and longitudes? These are the numericals. Okay, these are the various numbers which you have given, imaginary lines which has been provided with different values, with different numbers, isn't it? So here we need the proficiency of mathematics actually. Okay. The shape of the earth is geoid, but the basic tool of a geographer is a map, which is two-dimensional representation of the earth. And the actual shape of the earth, okay, the actual shape of the earth is geoid, but a geographer explains the entire earth. Okay, but the geographer explains the all the physical features of the earth through a two-dimensional representation of the earth. That is the map. Okay, so map is the two-dimensional representation of the earth. The entire earth has been represented on the map actually. Okay, but actually the world is a geoid in shape. So how we have represented actually, because we need some proficiency in art drawing. Okay, so this is why we have been able to represent it. Okay, and here also mathematical calculations are required, because you see some maps are there, the maps of India, the maps of world, or different maps are there. Okay, and the maps has not been drawn in any way, like we tried to draw, so we have drawn it freehand and we have done. No, that is not actually, but there are some calculations. Okay, there are some calculation, and on the basis of calculations only the map has been drawn. So if you actually measure the distance of the map, suppose the distance between Delhi and West Bengal on the map is 10 centimeter. Okay, in the map, if you measure the distance between Delhi and West Bengal is 10 centimeter. So there are some calculations actually. So this 10 centimeter is actually represented. Okay, the actual distance is something different actually. Okay, means we have converted the actual distance into 10 centimeter and then we have pointed Delhi and West Bengal. That is Kolkata actually. Okay, so here the mathematical calculations is also very much required. So here again you can see that mathematics, which is a part of natural science, a science subject actually, it has linked with geography. Okay, so the problems of converting geodes into two dimensionals can be tackled by projections constructed graphically or mathematically. Okay, so the problem of converting the three-dimensional earth, that is the geode, into two-dimensional form can be done graphically or with the help of mathematical calculations. The cartographic and quantitative techniques require sufficient proficiency in mathematics, statistics, okay, and econometrics. So basically the cartographic techniques and the quantitative technique. Cartographic technique means the art of drawing the map. Okay, and the quantitative techniques like in geography, like now you're studying in economics, level mean, median, mode, and all. Okay, the same thing you will be studying in class 12 also. In population studies, we need the help of this statistics part. Okay, so this cartographic techniques, okay, and various other aspects of geography actually, okay, we need the we take help of the quantitative techniques actually, and this is what this is related with math, statistics, and econometrics. Okay, so this is how, okay, this is how geography is closely interlinked. Okay, geography is closely interlinked with the branches of science. Okay, with the main branches of natural science actually. Okay, so this is what about the relation of geography. Okay, relation of geography with the natural science subjects. Okay, so in the same way, geography is also linked with the social science subjects. Okay, in the same way, geography is also interlinked with the social science subjects. So see here. So each social science, which is sketched in figure 1.1 in the figure it is given, okay, it is linked with geography actually. Okay, it is linked with geography, like the branches of geography, like historical geography, political geography, and all. They are linked with sociology, they are linked with political science, they are linked with demography, they are linked with history and all. Okay, so the relationship between geography and history have already been outlined. Actually, we have already explained the relationship between geography and history. Okay, even philosophy provides roots to a discipline, and in the process of its evolution, it experiences distinct historical processes. And even philosophy, which is a separate subject, actually, it is linked with geography because every subject has its own root. Okay, and in order to understand the root of a subject, philosophy is very much important. Okay, so all the social science disciplines with sociology, political science, economics, and demography, okay, they study the different aspects of social reality. Okay, so all the branches of social science such as sociology, political science, economics, demography, and all, okay, they study the social aspects. Okay, they study the social aspects of the human life and all. Okay, and they are related with the branches of geography such as social geography, political geography, economic geography, population geography, settlement geography, and all. Okay. The core concern of political science is territory, people, and sovereignty, while political geography is also interested in the state or in the study of the state as a spatial unit, as well as people and their political behavior. Okay, so the main subject matter of political science is to study about the territory, the people, the sovereignty, democracy, and all. So in the same way, political geography also tries to study the state. Okay, state as a spatial unit, the country. We try to study about the country, about the people of their country, about the political conditions of the country and all. Okay. So economic deals with basic attributes of economy such as production, distribution, exchange, and consumption. Okay, which is a branch of social science. In the same way, economic geography also tries to understand, okay, about the distributions of the resources, about the factors responsible for the location of industries and all. Okay. In the same way, population geography is closely linked with discipline of demography. Okay, in the same way, population geography, which is a branch of geography, is linked with demography. Okay, in population geography, we study about the causes of population growth. Okay, the distribution of population growth, different characteristics of population. Okay, and the same thing can be studied in demography, which is a totally different subject actually. Okay, so here again you can see that geography, okay, like geography is interrelated with the natural science subject. In the same way, geography is interlinked with various social science subject. Okay, the branches of geography is linked with various social science subjects actually. Okay, so this map, okay, this diagram actually provides us a various information actually. Okay, so here you can see, okay, like in your book also you can see that suppose this is the center is the main geography. Okay, and these are actually the geographical branches. Okay, the subjects which are written within this like oval shaped box actually. Okay, these are the which are written inside actually, these are the branches of geography, and which are written outside actually, they are the one main subjects of social science and science actually. So let me give you an example like climatology. Climatology is a branch of geography, physical geography, which is linked with meteorology. Meteorology is a science subject. Oceanography, a branch of geography, which is linked with hydrology. Hydrology is a branch of science. Geomorphology is a branch of geography. And geology is a totally different subject, it's a totally science subject. Okay, like again you see zoo geography is there, which is a part of biogeography. Okay, and it is related with geology. Okay, environmental geography, which is a part of geography, is just totally related with environmental studies. Even here you can see social geography, which is a branch of human geography, it is related with sociology. Historical geography, it is a branch of geography, it is related with history. Political geography, it is related with political science. Population geography related with demography. Economic geography related with economics. Okay, quantitative techniques in geography means the statistical methods which we follow, okay, which we take help of for various geographical studies. It is related with statistics, econometrics. Mathematical and astronomical geography, like the distance between the earth, different planets, the solar system and all. Okay, so it is related with mathematics and astronomy. Okay, so here you can see that geography is the main subject, and geography has different branches. The main three branches are physical geography, human geography and biogeography. Okay, so the different sub branches of physical geography, the different sub branches of physical geography, and the different sub branches of biogeography are related with various other science and social science subjects actually. And this is why geography is considered as an integrated subdiscipline actually. Okay, geography is considered as an integrating discipline. Okay, so here we have established the fact actually, okay, that why geography is considered as an integrating subject and how geography is related with the natural science subject and with the social science subjects actually.